Hello everybody. Okay, let's go to the task. I want to explain in this video this task 1, creating the mimic and using push buttons for controlling object 1. So we have this task. There's this file. This is the file that I will open, and then this is the PDF version that you can open for sure. For that, we will need to take a look at this file in the material, study materials. There's this stand scheme. You have to take a look at this, which I have it open here. I will open it. This is the scheme, and we will look at some pages of it that we will need. Let me go to the task. This is the file of the mimic and naming standards. These standards I will explain in the theory part. Then we reach to the task. Where's the task 1, part 1 is to connect relay to a relay and read the files from the relay. Let's do step by step. This one. We want to connect, like right now I'm connecting using the USB that is in the front of the port, but you will be connecting using the uh, Ethernet cable. So right now, let's go. This is open. Right now I am connecting. This is Ethernet Pro. I'm trying to connect. I will use this option. Let me connect the cable. I cannot connect through the Ethernet because I cannot I don't have admin right to set the IP address to my laptop, but you have the admin right on the laptops that you will have. So I connected the USB. I will connect through this, but you will connect through here, and I will show you what you have to do for connecting through the IP. You have to use this. Come to the here in the control panel, network and internet network connections, and change the IP of your laptop to one of these ones. So if you are planning to connect to the relay 1, you have to connect your IP address of the laptop to this one, because the IP of the relays are like this. We updated the the IPs of the relays. So each relay, for example, relay 5 here, has the IP address of this number 192.168.1 and 25. In order to connect to this one, for example, you have to set your IP of the address to the same, just the last number should be different. So if I want to connect to the relay 5, I need to select this IP address for my laptop. So you come here to the to this address, select which of the connections that are appearing when you connect the Ethernet cable. Then select on that, and there you set your IP address to be one of these. Depending on what relay is dedicated to you, you have to change your IP address first, and then, for example, I want to connect to the relay 5. I will change first the IP address of the laptop to this one, and then I will go to here to connect, and here I will connect the, you see the 3 digits are the same because it's wanna be in the same network, and at the end, instead of 125 for here, you should put the relay's IP address, and then the port is 22 for all of the laptops. all of the relays. So when you press connect, it's gonna connect. Right now I am connected via this USB, and only this part is different for USB and for like IP. From here on, everything will be the same. Connect. Then here you should put engineer level, and password is AAA. That I can show you here, I think. Yes, this is the like username, and this is the password. Let's go. We are doing this one right now. Let's continue. I press login. First thing you will do, you're gonna read all the information that is in here. So I go here and read all. It is reading all of the settings, all of the parameters that is right now on the relay. And after that, I will start to, actually I will save it first, and then I will start to change them. It takes a few minutes. Meanwhile, I will check what are we gonna do next after that. Read files from the list, save the file as original backup file on the desktop. Then the mimic shown in the next slide should be created. Yeah, we have to create a mimic and write it to the relay. This is the first part of our task. Okay, the reading is still going on. For saving, I will just come here and save as. Let me see what is the next step. So after downloading the mimic, it should appear on the screen. So the part one is read the files, connect to the laptop, connect to the relay, read the files, and then create a mimic, upload it there. So, okay, this is complete, ready, reset all the settings. Now I have read everything. I will save it as, save as, let's go to the desktop. I will put in general, relay one task, relay 5 settings, backup. So let it save there. Now I have saved it. Now I'm going to do the required modification for like modification of the mimics. You just come here. So this is the mimic that is right now on the relay. Let's go here for a second. Here in the slides, it's showing what every relay does. The few slides, you can take a look at them. All of these like different parts, you are able to basically read. And based on them, you should make the mimic that is here. This mimic, you should make it and then upload it to the relay. Right now I'm going to, I'm not making the entire thing, it will take time, but I will make a little changes here and then upload it to the relay so you can see. So for example, this one, I want to delete this one. With this tool, delete tool, you can delete everything that you want. See, these are drawn point by point. Or if I want to, for example, change one of these, I go here, instead of the current, I can put, for example, input, digital input 3 I want to show here. So here will appear digital input 3. Let's delete this ones, and then I will add something else on. From here, for example, I want to add this one. It comes here, I can drag it, drop. Here, auto reclosing, we have virtual inputs. You have the name you can put, like page 1, page 2, whatever. This will change. Page 1, for example. So this is how you change. After you're ready, you will just press this one, write all. During the process, the device may restart a number of times. Okay. Unable to save unmapped object. Mimic one. Okay, there's this that needs to be mapped. So this needs an object, so I have to put a object 1, for example. Yeah, now this is mapped. In the right, I forgot. There's options: write view or write all. Write all will require restart, so it will take a bit longer time. But if you put write view, you're writing just this view that you have done modifications. See, here's blue right now. Every part that you have made modification is highlighted. And after writing, I will write the view so it's faster. Write view, and when this is done, this will turn to the normal color. You can just see right now it is writing the changes that I made in the mimic. So if you do this, you should actually make the mimic correct. And after you upload, you can see that in the relays screen, this picture will show. Yeah, you should have this picture showing in the on the relay. Right now, this is finishing the upload. Now you can see when everything is finished, there's no changes anymore. If I make any change again, it will turn blue, but I don't want to change. So right now, a screen of the relay is showing this to me. But that's like, you should make the correct one that is shown there. Let's go to the next part of the like our task. Our relay was showing this, now it's messed up. Next part of the task is basically we want to press this red button and it should become red, it close, and then we press this black button and it is gonna be green. For this we need to put which inputs are connected. The relay, like these push buttons are sending the signal to the inputs of the relay, and the relay is controlling this signal lights. So relay sends out from the output connections signals to this. So these ones you need to watch inside our circuit diagrams. You see here is the relays, inputs, outputs, but I have made them in the task also, so you can concentrate. So next is that create a matrix in a way that object 1 be turned on and off with the push buttons. Check the circuit diagram to see where which inputs and outputs are connected. 1S1 is the black push button and 1S2 is the red, or vice versa. I am not sure. Test the buttons and see if the objects are connected. So we will make the necessary changes according to the circuit diagram to the program, and then we will upload it to the relay and test. I'll follow the slides. So let's go. Here is the circuit diagram that is showing. Can I zoom? Here is showing KO1. This is the relay 1 I am seeing the digital inputs of, you see, this is our relay, P5F30. This is our relay. These are the inputs. You can see how the contactor connections are connected to our relays. So we will with the push buttons, we have to control the contactors, and the contactors are gonna send signal to the relay inputs, and then relay using these outputs will set and reset this LEDs, the signal lights. So we can see that the contactor, this is the contactor, for example, 1 is being controlled by the digital output 1 and digital output 2. And then, okay, I have to find actually which one I want to control. Like 1Q1, 1Q, object 1 I put there. Yes, so I want to connect, let's say that 1Q0 I want to control, 1Q0. For that, digital output 1 of the relay and digital output 2 of the relay need to be set or reset, depending on what I want to do. If I set this one, the red signal will be on. If I set this one, the green signal will be on. DO1, DO2, remember that. Then let me see where's our push buttons. Okay, somewhere. These are the outputs. S1, one S1, and these are here. So one S1, this push button 1 and push button 2, they are setting DI3 and DI4. These are also one that we have to include in our matrix. So let's go forward. Let's go to the local control panel and the system info for mimic display. We have to just object for controlling buttons is the object control buttons is object 1. Those control buttons, you should know right now which ones they are. Control buttons, I go to the relay. Control buttons are this and this. Control buttons, function buttons, control buttons, and the LED lights and the releasing trip button. Hey, let's go continue doing this part. Even if we don't do right now, it will work, but let's do that setting. You just go here, system info control panel. Object 1 is already selected, so we don't need to do anything with that. Mimics, in the mimics we have object 1, so we will not get error. Only thing we need to set is matrix. Matrices are in a way that when the global trips happen, we want to have digital output 1 to be on, so that object 1 is set. Then let me see. These are what we need to set. Let's set it like this. Digital output, digital input 3 and 4 are the push buttons. So when one push button is set, like pressed, I want the digital output 1 to be set and turn on the red one, for example. And the green, I want to turn digital output 2. And let me make this setting. So DI3 object 1. We just need to find those. For finding those, we can make like you can put di here and digital output 3 and 4 should be this. And then let's press connected. Object 1 open. This one you need to take off from here and put it here. So I think we have everything set. Let me check again. So DR also, this is for data record. We don't need that. If we have it, it's fine. If we don't have it, okay, that's here. Data record. So right now we have this set. When we press the push button 1, DI 3 goes high. DI 3, is it C or B? Let me check. DI 3, when we press that, DI 3B is going high, not DI 3C. See, this is different, so we made mistake. DI 3B, this B is very important. So let's release this. We go to the, again, DI research, DI 3B. This and this. Now we can press connected. We don't need that filter. Yeah, DI 3B. This should be. And when you have this ready, what else we need to do? I think just right view. It should be quick. And when it is done, I test it. Yes, so it's working. So that's all basically. I have. Yes, that's all. Let me go to the end here. And after this, you just can, yeah, after this, you can just go press these buttons. And digital input 3 and 4 are this. And when you press that, then the relay sets digital output 1 and 2, which are controlling this contactor. And the contactor is controlling the contactor is controlling this one. Yes, contactor digital output is controlling. This is the contactor. Like with the push buttons, we are controlling digital inputs. And then the logic, we set the digital outputs 1 and 2, and it's controlling the contactor, and the contactor's connections, if I have it here, they are the ones that are controlling the LEDs. Maybe I don't have it here, but I can like bring it. Yes, the LEDs. So this is the contactor 1, for example, to Q1. When it's set or reset, it's like switching between the values and this. Yeah, that's all. You try to do that, and this way you are like starting to work with the relay in practice.